Welcome back. We are at the REI 2021, and with us today is Mr. Sandeep Goyal from Pyramid Electronics. This is a very interesting company simply because while we have seen a lot of manufacturing initiatives on the solar module and cell side of things, on the inverter side, it's been very rare to see a company which is truly make in India. Pyramid Electronics says they are truly a make in India company. They are the only ones making solar inverters in India. And Mr. Sandeep will tell us more about it. Mr. Sandeep, tell us more about how you got into electronics and now solar inverters.
Pyramid Electronics was founded back in 1993 for the manufacture of this domestic inverters, standalone UPS systems, voltage stabilizers, and all that. And we have been doing all this since 1993. And during the years like 2016-17, this other markets, like they are saturated, quite saturated like this. If you talk about domestic inverters, mostly the big players, they dominated the market. So we thought of coming into something different. So it was like we chose EV chargers and these on-grid solar inverters. Like this is a family-owned company, and all the family members are technocrats. So the R&D is done in-house. We have a very big manufacturing setup based in Haryana and Himachal Pradesh. Our R&D lab is in Panchkula, and the R&D is being done right from scratch. I mean to say, it's completely right from the design stage, printed circuit boards, even the enclosures, the sheet metal enclosures, the inside transformers, everything is done in-house. Even if we have displayed our factory small video also in the stall. So there is nothing outsourced in the design and manufacturing. And so initially we have like single phase up to 5 kilowatt. We have BIS approved, and the 3-phase from 5 kilowatt to 15 kilowatt, we got the BIS approval. Our next range up to 100 kilowatt is almost designed and is under internal testing. So it will go for BIS approval in next 2 months time. So we'll have a complete range up to 500 kilowatt rather in a span of next 1 year.
So actually you answered my next question, which was about the range of your inverters. So tell me now that you've done one right thing, which is to have the full range of inverters. This market is very competitive. You have a lot of strong Chinese players, and there is really no other option. A lot of people say that. How do you see that changing now for you?
Yes. Really this was a challenge for us when we started designing and manufacturing the inverters. We looked at our material cost was more than the Chinese inverters, the landed price. Then we started negotiating with our suppliers. All our suppliers, they gave us the targets that you need to increase the volumes. So presently what we have tried, our technology, this is, I will share here, the most important thing is, our inverters are based on latest silicon carbide devices, which is called like SiC devices. They are very efficient, 2.5% more efficient than the other brands. Somehow we are able to manage very near to the landed Chinese prices with a quality equivalent to any European brand. You talk about any European brand, we have the quality equivalent to that brand, but pricing very, very near to the Chinese brands. We hope, being an Indian manufacturer, we'll get a good boost because what we understand, importing from China, at least you need a 2.5 month cycle, and you have to send the advance payments 2.5 months in advance. Then inverter comes, and then we want to play on another big USP, that is, since we have pan-India presence, we have 72 service centers across the country. We are offering 10 years longer warranty plus on-site warranty. On-site warranty means customer, like any EPC contractor or a dealer, he doesn't have to send his engineer or his team to the customer end. They just need to give us a call. Our service team will take care of the customer directly. So we hope this will give us a good boost.
So you have right now on-grid inverters. Any plans for storage inverters also?
Yes, we started with on-grid inverters only, but we are going in for hybrid also and storage also in next 6 months time.
Any plans to get into battery manufacturing? Because we see a lot of Indian manufacturers doing at least that bit.
No, actually we are a dedicated power electronics company, so we want to remain in our technology products only. There is no plans for going in for modules or batteries.
So between all the products that you offer today, do you expect the solar bit to be the most fastest growing part now?
Yes, it looks like solar and then EV charger is coming. In solar, what we expect is if we talk about the Indian government plans, they have a target of 450 gigawatt of renewable energy by 2030. So in that, so it's like almost 10 years. So every year say 45 gigawatt. So from 45 gigawatt, we are just looking for a share of 1 to 2 gigawatt only. That's too small, 2 to 5% of the share, and we should get it.
Mr. Goyal, you spoke about the deep relationship between solar and EV charging. Tell us more about that.
Yeah, see, as EV electric vehicles are coming in, but what we see as a technocrats, there is no point in, because hydropower is very limited in the country. The mostly power generation is done by the thermal power stations. So there is no point in going in one side you are burning the coal, generating electricity and then charging the vehicles. So what we feel is there will be very good synergy between this solar energy or wind energy and the EV charging. So we feel there will be a good integration of solar and EV chargers.
So we've seen the government pushing really hard for solar module manufacturing, cell manufacturing, the whole cycle recently. Do you think there are enough incentives in place for domestic manufacturing of inverters in India, or does it need some special incentives?
No, presently there is no incentive for the inverters. They are always talking about the batteries and the solar modules only. So we request government to look into the for the inverter manufacturers also, because ultimately Make in India or Made in India concept, only thing is presently in inverter market, it is almost 100% is being imported. I feel, this is my personal feeling, we are the presently only and this first 100% Indian manufacturer. There are others who claim to be Indian manufacturer. What I feel is they are importing the main like motherboard or something like that from China and just assembling it here. So the government needs to push, give some incentive to the inverter manufacturer, because inverter is like the heart of the power plant, solar power plant. Yeah.
Thank you. On that piece of advice, we'll take your leave. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.